Hello and welcome to the SAP SME World Tour. My name is Manju Bansal and I am the Director of Solution Marketing for SAP Business One. In this session you will get a general overview of SAP Business One. You will learn some details as to who the solution is targeted at, the success we are seeing in the marketplace, and why we believe Business One can significantly impact the way small businesses grow and evolve profitably. No matter what size company you are, the overall business environment today is much more competitive and challenging than in previous years. Businesses strive for the same thing, no matter big or small. For instance, while the internet has opened up new markets, it's also opened up the floodgates to intense competitive pressures. Hence, businesses today have to seek newer, perhaps more innovative ways to stay competitive in the marketplace and to achieve their intended profitability and growth targets. As a small business, it's even more critical that you be able to respond to those changing market conditions so that you can compete more successfully against competitors that are much larger than you. However, that journey is not without roadblocks. There are inevitably many challenges along the way to higher growth and profitability. For example, lack of access to the right information often hinders small businesses' ability to respond quickly to market needs. And because many things are still being done manually, redundant work and errors result in lower efficiency and lower profitability. And to drive their business with better technology, companies end up acquiring different systems for different purposes at different times. But keeping all these different systems working together poses a major challenge, demanding the IT expertise, staffing, and money that typically is far beyond the means of most small businesses. And lastly, small business owners often find themselves spending a lot of time reacting to their day-to-day operational issues instead of planning and focusing on the bigger strategic battles that lie ahead. Hence, it's no surprise that the business tools and solutions must make a fundamental shift in order to address the needs of small businesses today. There is a very clear gap between what small businesses want and what they have access to today. And the idea being that the old one-size-fits-all, or you change your business to fit my technology, well, that's no longer viable. And today's business technology solution providers need to address that fundamental issue. SAP Business One is a solution that has been expressly designed with the needs of small businesses in mind. It's a solution that best fits the needs of smaller businesses who are now outgrowing their accounting-only and or bespoke applications and are finding that their business software is becoming a drag on their ability to grow. And Business One offers not only the key functionality they need in terms of financials, inventory, e-commerce, etc., but it also has a published SDK, a software development kit, and open APIs that allow the system to be inherently flexible. In fact, there are over 550 solutions provided by our third-party ISV partners, we call them software solution providers, that are available to Business One customers today. So the system really never becomes a constraint as your business grows and your needs change. Business One, just FYI, is sold through a network of VARs and resellers and is available in 40 legally compliant country-specific versions with a choice of 20 languages. Currently, over 20,000 customers worldwide use Business One. Getting into some specific product or solution-specific details, like I said before, Business One is a single integrated solution that helps you streamline your entire business. For example, once a sale is made, the products can be shipped, invoices created, general ledgers and inventories updated, all automatically. This eliminates the need for duplicate data entry. There are no errors. Costs and delays associated with that are kept down. And therefore, once a customer address is changed by sales, for example, it no longer needs to be updated by somebody in operations or accounting. In addition to automating your business process, Business One also provides event-based alerts that allow you to set up notifications for things that are important to you, for example, as a business owner. So if invoices over $10,000 that become 60 days past due, that's something that's important for you to know. Or if the inventory levels falls below a certain threshold level, that fact can be alerted to you and you can take the corrective action as you deem appropriate. This practice of management by exception allows you to focus on the stuff that is important for you as you run your business without you having to constantly be engaged in a reactive fire drills mode. Every business, no matter what size it is or what industry it operates in, is unique in certain ways. And we believe that the technology we provide, the solutions we provide, should be flexible enough to adapt to the unique needs of individual businesses and not the other way around. So to give you a couple of examples, SAP Business One provides out-of-the-box integration with popular tools such as Microsoft Office and Outlook. It also comes with standard integration interfaces so you can link it to other tools and applications that you may have acquired or developed. For example, a scheduling tool that you use in your workday. Business One also provides capabilities such as user-defined fields so that even normal business users who are not really technical experts in any sense of the way can adapt the system to make it work the way they work without having to rely on expensive consultants or technicians. Really, at the end of the day, SAP Business One is more than just a solution. It is indeed a platform supported by over 180 ISVs or SSPs that provide 550 different applications, many of them industry specific, that work to meet the needs of specific customer requirements. Having been implemented over 20,000 times around the world, SAP Business One is really tuned for fast implementation. With our exclusive accelerated implementation methodology, customers can get their SAP Business One system up and running with minimal business disruption, typically in 6 to 8 weeks, many cases even less so. And because SAP Business One is a single system to maintain, it eliminates the complexity and cost that is associated with running multiple systems, doing separate upgrades, and keeping track of complex integrations to make all these things run smoothly. As part of the Business One offering, we provide a free SAP Early Watch software that constantly monitors the operations of your system and alerts you whenever signs of system distress appear to avoid any potential disruptions to your business. While access to updated and accurate data is obviously critical for the success of any business, equally important is the ability to extract knowledge or actionable intelligence out of that data. Business One now comes with a copy of Crystal Reports, which is the industry standard for business intelligence and reporting. All customers who are current on their SAP maintenance and all new SAP Business One customers are entitled to receive and deploy a single copy of Crystal Reports 2008 Basic for SAP Business One for absolutely free. This special version of Crystal Reports has been designed to work with SAP Business One data and includes drivers for Microsoft SQL and IBM DB2, which are the two supported databases that Business One works on. Additionally, for customers who wish to create live dashboards that clearly communicate the state of their business, or who wish to develop, schedule, share, and deliver interactive reports over the web, there are additional products from Business Objects, such as Excelsius Engage or the Crystal Report Server, that can also work with Business One. One extremely compelling advantage of Business One really is its ability to integrate with other SAP solutions running in larger environments. For example, SAP ERP Business Suites. Using Business One, a small business owner can share data, collaborate, and automate business processes while interacting with a larger entity with which it may be supplying goods, for example, as a vendor. Similarly, a business owner can also connect with other small businesses with which it does business. This allows a business owner to get connected, to get access to newer markets, connect with its own supplier, and gain better operational visibility and control. SAP has developed the Business One integration for SAP NetWeaver, also referred to as B1ISN, which is the next generation solution for enabling SAP Business One to rapidly and easily integrate with SAP Business Suite and SAP NetWeaver. Such integrations can, of course, also be done using the SDK components, and in the near future, using enterprise SOA technology. Business One is sold exclusively through a network of over 1,100 VARs worldwide, and because we really believe that our channel partners are the secret sauce in our recipe for success. We're very selective when it comes to recruiting our business partners, and we require them to go through multiple levels of training on our product. And because these partners typically do multiple